Hello everyone, today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. Once again, I am Teacher Angie. Our lesson for today is about markup and selling price. So first, we're going to discuss some of the terms that is used for this lesson. What is markup? A markup is an increase in the price of something. From the word up means increase. So how do we get markup? So the difference between its cost and the price that it is sold for. So from the word difference means minus, and we have the cost here, or sometimes we call it cost price, and the price that it is sold for is the selling price. So we have here the formula using shortcut terms. Okay, so markup, or we call it MU, is equal to selling price, or SP, minus cost price, or the CP. So, eto na yung nasa taas kanina. Okay, we use difference means minus. So, in shortcut, we write it as MU is equal to SP, selling price, minus CP, cost price. If the given is selling price and the cost price, we will use the first formula. But if the given is markup percentage and cost price, we will use the second formula. So for the second formula, we have markup, or MU, is equal to markup percentage, or MU percent, times CP, or cost price. Next, markup percentage, or MU percent, is equal to markup, or MU, divided by the cost price, or CP, multiplied by 100 to convert it to percentage. So the formula for markup percentage, we have MU percent is equal to MU, or markup, divided by CP, or cost price, times 100. Next, we have also MU percentage is equal to SP, or selling price, minus CP, or cost price, divided by CP, or cost price. So dito, yung first formula, ito ang gagamitin natin kung ang given ay MU, or markup, and cost price. But if the givens are SP, or selling price, and cost price, we're going to use the second formula. Selling price is the amount a buyer pays for a product. So this is the price that we usually pay, or sometimes we call it the final sale price. So the selling price, or SP, is equal to markup, or MU, plus cost price, or CP. So in short, SP is equal to MU plus CP if the given is markup and cost price. But if the given is cost price and markup percentage, we're going to use the second formula, which is SP is equal to CP, or cost price, times markup percentage plus cost price. Next, so for the cost price, it is the total amount of money that is cost a manufacturer to produce a given product or provide a given service. So for the formula of cost price, we have CP is equal to SP, or selling price, minus MU, or markup. Okay, so we have some examples here. Number one, if a fax machine costs $235 and there is a 70% markup on cost, find the amount of the markup and the selling price. First, we need to find the given. So we have here cost price, which is $235, and markup percentage, which is 70%. So we're going to write first our given. And of course, for the unknown, find the amount of markup and the selling price. So unknown natin is SP or selling price and markup or MU. Next, for our formula, in getting the selling price, we have SP is equal to CP times MU percentage plus CP. So, ito ang gagamitin natin since ang given ay cost price and markup percentage. Next, for our solution first, we need to copy the given formula, and then after that, substitute the given. So SP now is equal to our CP or cost price is $235. So we have here times MU percentage, which is 70%. So we have 70% here plus our cost price is $235. Next, following the order of operation, we will perform first these two. But before that, we need first to convert 70% into decimal. So we have now SP is equal to $235 times. In converting percent to decimal, simply move the decimal point to the left twice. So 1, 2. Kaya meron tayong 0.70. And then, of course, omit the percent sign, plus 235. Next, following the order of operation, we need to perform first the numbers inside the parentheses. So it is multiplication. So we have 235 times 0.70. We have now 164.5 plus 235. And then, adding these two, 164.5 plus 235, we have now SP is equal to $399.5. So this is for our selling price. Next, so we have now our SP. Now we're going to find our markup. So amount of markup for our solution, first we're going to write our formula in getting markup. Since we already have selling price and CP or cost price is given, so we can compute now using this formula. MU is equal to SP minus CP. So now we're going to substitute SP, which is $399.5 minus our cost price, which is $235. So our markup is equal to $164.5. So, ganyan lang kasimple mag-compute ng or kumuha ng SP and MU. So, I'm going to show you another way of solving this. So, we're going to use the same problem but different solution. Okay, so since we have the same problem with our previous example, then we also have the same given. So for our given, we have for markup percentage, we have 70%. And for our cost price, we have $235. And for our unknown, we have markup and selling price. Next, for our solution, first, we need to write our formula. So what are the formulas that we need to use? So for the amount of markup, we have the formula MU is equal to markup percentage times cost price. So first, we're going to compute first the markup. The previous one, we compute first the selling price. Okay, so for our markup percentage, we have 70%. So substitute MU percentage is equal to 70% and CP is $275. And then convert 70% into decimal. So move the decimal point to the left twice, 1, 2. So we have now MU is equal to 0.70, or you can also write 0.70 times $235. And multiplying 0.70 times 235, we have $164.5, which is the same with our previous answer. And in computing our SP or selling price, we're going to use now SP is equal to MU or markup plus CP or cost price. So since we have the cost price here and we have already the markup. So copy the formula and then substitute the given. So SP is equal to our MU 164.5 from here, and then plus CP, which is 235. And adding 164.5 plus 235, we have SP is equal to $399.5. So it's up to you which is easier or better. The first way or the first example or this example. Okay, so for our next examples or problems, we're going to use these samples or formulas. Okay, next now for number 2, if a heavy-duty washing machine costs $32 and there is a 25% markup on cost, find the amount of the markup and the selling price. So let's look first for the given. So we have here cost price, which is $32 and 25% for our markup percentage. And for our unknown, we have find the amount of markup and selling price. So MU and SP. Next, for our solution, first we're going to find the amount of markup. So the formula that we're going to use is MU is equal to MU percentage times CP, since the given are MU and CP. Next, we're going to substitute the given now. So MU is equal to, our MU percentage is 25% and our CP is 32%. $32. Next, converting percent to decimal, we're going to move the decimal point twice to the left. So we have 1, 2. Therefore, we have now MU is equal to 0.25 or 0.25 times $32. And multiplying 0.25 times 32, we have MU is equal to $8. Next, for our SP or selling price, we're going to use the formula SP is equal to MU plus CP, since we already have the markup here. So let's substitute now. SP is equal to our MU, which is 8, and plus CP, which is 32. So 8 plus $32, we have now SP is equal to $40, or the selling price is $40. Next example, number 3. If a vacuum costs $75 and there is a 36% markup on cost, find the amount of the markup and the selling price. First, we're going to find the given. So for our cost price, we have $75. And for our markup percentage, we have $36. And for our unknown, find the amount of markup and selling price. So, MU and SP. Next, for our solution, in getting the amount of markup, we're going to use MU is equal to markup percentage times CP since they are the given. Next, substitute the given for our markup percentage. We have 36%. And for our CP, we have $75. And next, we're going to convert first 36% to decimal. So move the decimal point to the left twice, 1, 2. Therefore, we have now MU is equal to 0.36 or 0.36 times $75. And 0.36 times $75, we have now MU is equal to $27. So this is our markup. Next, finding our SP or selling price, we're going to use SP is equal to MU plus CP since CP is already given and we have already our markup. So substitute now, SP is equal to markup, which is $27, plus our CP, which is $75. So 27 plus $75, we have selling price or SP is equal to $102. Or if a condo suit cost $1,000 and there is a 60% markup on cost, find the amount of the markup and the selling price. Again, let's look first for the given. So the cost price is $1,000 and the markup percentage is 60%. And for our unknown, find the amount of markup and selling price. Unknown, or what are we going to look for? So for our solution, first, let's solve for the markup. Formula is MU is equal to MU percentage times CP since they are the given. Then substitute the given. MU percentage is equal to 60% times cost price is $1,000. Then converting percent to decimal, we're going to move the decimal point to the left twice. So we have 1, 2. Therefore, MU is equal to 0.60 multiplied by 1,000, which is our CP. And 1,000 times 0.60 is equal to 600. So our markup is 600. Next, for our selling price, we're going to use the formula SP is equal to MU plus CP since we already have the MU. So for our MU, substitute SP now is equal to 600 plus our CP, which is given 1,000. And 600 plus 1,000, we have 1,600. So that is our selling price. Okay, next, last but not the least, example number 5. If a printer costs $400 and there is a 48% markup on cost, find the amount of the markup and the selling price. Again, first of all, we're going to find the given. So we have here the cost price, which is $400, and markup percentage, which is 48%. And we're looking for our markup and selling price, or the amount. So we have MU and SP. For our solution for markup, we have MU is equal to MU percentage times CP, since they are the given. So now substitute the given. For MU percentage, we have 48%, and CP, which is $400. Next, convert 48% to decimal, so move to the left twice. 1, 2. So we have now MU is equal to 0.48 times 400. And multiplying 0.48 times 400, we have $192. So this is our markup. And for our selling price, we're going to use now SP is equal to MU plus CP, since MU is already here. Okay, and the CP is already given. So just substitute SP now is equal to MU, which is 192, plus CP, which is 400. And 400 plus 192, we have now 592. Therefore, our selling price is $592. Okay, so this is the simplest way in solving markup and selling price. There are different ways to solve, but I only gave you the two easiest way to solve it. If you have questions, just drop your questions on the comment section. Okay? That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye and see you again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Keep safe and God bless us all.